The next water on the machine, the amazing beauty water. The button says already what it means. Beauty water is actually slightly acidic water. It's a pH 4.5 up to 6, and that is perfect for your skin. So it's a great lotion for the skin. We usually have these lovely bottles that you can pour the water in that, and you can use that as your skin lotion and just spray that all over you. It gives a lovely refreshing feeling. It's also perfect. It's also perfect for your hair as well. Instead of a hair conditioner, you can use that on your pets, so you can spray them all around your pets and before you brush them. This water is also just great for cleaning all the tiles, the bathroom tiles, the kitchen tiles, also the glasses and the windows. It's super amazing for the windows because it's slightly acidic. It doesn't leave any stains, any marks when you clean the windows, and the windows are just sparkly. So that's another way of removing the chemicals in the house and using only the water. Now your distributor that sold the machine to you might be giving you this kind of sheet, which would be another reminder where you can use the waters for, and just it gives you all the list of where you can use that. Actually, another thing is you can boil eggs in this water and the eggs do not crack. I'm still not used to doing that, but that's another amazing tip. And that's that. Make the most of your machine. Change your water, change your life.